Want to get online notification only from certain friends on your Nintendo Switch? While Nintendo doesn't let you choose specific people for notifications directly, there are some tricks you can use. In this video, I'll show you how to set up online notifications to focus on the friends that matter the most. Let's get started. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to choose individual people, but instead, you can do this. First, from your home page, go to your user account. Then from the left menu, go to the friends list. Find the friends you want notifications for. Tap on their account. Mark them as best friends. Then go back to your home page and go to System Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now tap on Friend Notifications. Then select your user account. Then tap on Notify when friends go online and select Best Friends Only. Now you'll get online notifications only when you selected Best Friends Come Online. So that's how you can get online notifications from certain friends on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.